Well, hello there, good people. Jason here with the Green Country Agri-Forestry. Oh my goodness, oh yeah, door sticks after it's been raining coming at you. Just a couple of days before Halloween 2025. This is a Louisiana native canna. Looks like it might be done blooming for the year. Can you believe it? Just now finishing up. The grapes are still going. Shoot, we even have a couple that haven't ripened up yet. Here's one of our ornamental cannas here. Still blooming. This is I think this is a tomato. It looks like it's about done. Apparently this is one of those yellow tomatoes. I know Granddad bred a variety of these. I don't know if this is one of those that Grandpa Conrad came up with, though. I asked Mom about it once, but she's getting on in years and she couldn't quite, she couldn't quite recall what the name of the varietal was. It was probably something like Yellow Girl or something like that. Knowing the way Granddad named stuff is. Wait, there we go. Black-eyed peas, we still have some of those. All that rain softened the ground up, and so we've had some things fall over. It looks like the peanuts are done. Either they have been eaten. Yeah, they've been eaten. We had rodent activity. There's one. I love peanuts, but the rodents love them more, it looks like. Well, as you can see, we got cannas still blooming. Jerusalem artichokes are blooming. They're finishing up probably in a couple of days here. Meanwhile, we still have blooms on the Monarda punctata. The neighbor's dog's not happy about that one bit. Oh, no respect, just none. Yep, there you see we got lots of rodent activity. They came in and got after it. So we barely have enough time to get peanuts done, and the little we do get, rodents get after. Well, that's unfortunate. It also looks like I may need to reseed my daikon radish in here. I don't see any popping up. We got a couple that came up earlier. So I'm going to try reseeding daikon radish. Hopefully we can get a few. There we still have some black-eyed peas. You may notice that they'll grow on up into those cannas. So the cannas are still blooming, and we're going to let them finish up what they're doing and wait until frost knocks them down, and then we'll dig them up. And that's whenever we'll have them available for sale. It's probably going to be about another 2, maybe 3 weeks or so. 2 to 3 weeks it's looking like at the moment. Just at the moment, 2-3 weeks. Meanwhile, we got these. This is the cypress vine. Coming close to the end of its season. Lots of seeds getting available here. We're going to pick those off when we can. Fig tree has figs on it. I don't know if they're going to get ripe before I don't know if they're going to get ripe before the frost arrives, but it does have figs on it. There they are. Yep. Now let's talk about this monster here. These tremendously huge leaves belong to the Cucurbita machata, otherwise known, that's right, otherwise known as the Seminole pumpkin. What am I doing? Oh, let's look back here, see what we got going on. So, Seminole pumpkin. Big, big, big pumpkin. Its roots are all the way back over there. I'm making my way through here. This tree here in the foreground with the green leaves, this is called an almond tree. It's all-in-one almond. Should bear nuts probably next year, year after possible. Even here in Zone 7A, yeah, it's surprising. Surprising. This here is called Yellow Flag Iris. I'm just looking around here because I thought I saw a pumpkin. So here is something to look for whenever you're in the field and you're examining your pumpkins. There's the pumpkin right down there. Yeah, it's a little Seminole pumpkin. You see my hand by comparison. All right, it's a handful. Yeah, you got pumpkins, you got squash, you got vining plants of all sorts, and they're going to attach with a stem that comes back to the main vine. And whenever you look on the opposite side of that stem, you'll always see, always, a little tiny tendril like this that goes off, and sometimes it'll wrap around the vegetation, but it won't fruit. This is always in opposition to the stem, and whenever this is still green and springy and alive, this fruit is still developing. So that's not ripe, it's not ready to harvest. Let's move on. Okay, so there we go. This is our pumpkin. Almost Halloween. You'd think we'd have a pumpkin. Actually, we do have a pumpkin. Here we go. This one, of course, stem's attached here, but if I come over here and look for the little curly-Q bit, I mean, not only is it dead, it's fallen off. This is ready to harvest. So we're going to grab the knife. We're going to cut away from the base, because whenever it cures, it's going to dry up. So the more of that stem it has to dry, the better. We don't want it to get here and have issues. We'll have a look at our pumpkin here. This is a Seminole pumpkin. So named because it is the favored squash of the Seminole indigenous civilization in North America. Nice thing about these guys, the nice hard rind, once they're cured, will keep them all the way through the winter into spring if you want. The size is perfect. This one is good enough for 2 people for a full meal. Of course, the seeds inside, also just like other pumpkin seeds, are delicious, roasted, filled with zinc, protein, iron, magnesium, all the good stuff. Excellent storage food. Excellent survival food. And of course, we have a pumpkin for Halloween. There we go. That's our pumpkin. Well, alright, now we just got to get this pumpkin and put it out of the damp and let the sunlight shine on it for just a few days and let it go ahead and finish drying up and curing, and then we'll be able to put it on the pantry shelves and keep it over the winter. That's all I've got for you today. As always, I hope you found today's video informative or entertaining. If you did, well, you know what to do. Catch you next time. Until then, get out there and get growing.